Can a handheld potato masher really make creamy, smooth spuds? Well, Adam's here to tell us which potato masher smashed the competition.
Good one, Bridget. I like that. Well, you know that the problem with these handheld mashers in the old days is that the spuds could come out kind of lumpy, kind of gluey.
Yes.
Not a great texture. There are some new models on the market. They have innovative designs, and that got us wondering, gee, are those gonna make the creamy, smooth mashed potatoes of our dreams? So we gathered this lineup of 15 different potato mashers. The price range was a low of about $7 up to $30. And they fall into three general designs. In front of you, you have the innovative ones that we thought might be the answer to our mashed potato texture problem. These are the ones like our grandmothers had. They have the wavy wire tines like that. And then these are also an old design. These have a perforated mashing plate.
What's up with this one?
That's actually the gear shift from a Rambler. Oops, how did I get that one in there?
It won't get out of reverse, that's the problem.
And then that green one, testers liken that to a pogo stick.
Yeah, it reminds me of one of those burger presses, too.
Yeah, no, it didn't make the greatest mashed potatoes. That one, the star tip, who knows what the story there is.
It makes flower-shaped potatoes.
This turned into an elimination round. The floured one, the pogo stick, the gear shift, and these three, we got rid of all of them. That left us a final lineup of these 9 mashers. Testers took this final lineup and mashed the starchier russet potatoes, softer sweet potatoes, and another round of the Yukon Gold potatoes. And pretty quickly they developed a preference for the type that had the perforated mashing head, just because they were easier and more efficient to use and the texture of the potatoes was smoother. Of course, they also paid attention to the handles. They much preferred a more generous handle. This one is about 5 to 6 inches. You can see that it's rubber, it's easier to grip, and it's angled. That also helped with the mashing action. This is our new favorite handheld potato masher. This is the Xylus stainless steel potato masher. It's $12.99, so it's not a huge investment. And it's got everything we like. It's got a perforated mashing head with lots of holes of the right size. It's got a comfy handle, and it produced potatoes with a lovely velvety smooth texture.
Well, there you go. Our winner is the Xylus stainless steel potato masher, again for $12.99. Thanks, Adam. Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.